I keep telling the items that Mark Golding is a racist bigot. Mark Golding not like black people. I'm just a use, you know. He has an agenda. He have certain things, desires where he want to fulfill. Mark Golding, the son of slavers, nor like black people. He might exploit ignorance. And you can't tell these people say them ignorant because they might cuss you. But him knows when you're ignorant, that's why I exploit it. I want to swear say, when we run around and talk about time come, standing up for yourself or standing up for your brothers and sisters, and Mark Golding will not stand up with and stand up for. Mark Golding not like black people.
What's up guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Hilary, and in today's video I have a very interesting video for you about this Jamaican man, and he is also a very popular person in Jamaica. His name is Mr. Vegas. Now Mr. Vegas has come out and accused, or rather called out, Mark Golding as a racist. He says that Mark Golding doesn't like black people. Now remember, I know in Jamaica there are two major political parties, which is the PNP led by himself, Mark Golding, and JLP led by the current Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Dr. Andrew Holness. Now I want you to watch this video up to the end, and please remember to subscribe to my channel if you yet to subscribe, and if for the first time you're coming across my video, please like my videos, comment, and also share and subscribe. So watch this video up to the end, and then I'll be back with a few comments.
I keep telling the items that Mark Golding is a racist bigot. Mark Golding not like black people. I'm just a use, you know. He has an agenda. He have certain things, desires where he want to fulfill. Mark Golding, the son of slavers, nor like black people. He might exploit ignorance. And you can't tell these people say them ignorant because they might cuss you. But him knows when you're ignorant, that's why I exploit it. I want to swear say, when we run around and talk about time come, standing up for yourself or standing up for your brothers and sisters, and Mark Golding will not stand up with and stand up for. Mark Golding not like black people. Him thinks him better than we. Him thinks him still own black people because the slavers' blood were in him, so pronounced, so potent. Him keep showing it without even knowing him I show it, or maybe him directly, want to show us, purposely want to show us, say, yo, I'm me are the man, me running on me own, we still belong to the British state. Technically we do, because of them did buy we from the slavers them for £20 million, and we work off another 20 million in our apprenticeship. Mark Golding proud of his slavers ancestors. Him always talk about him slavers ancestors, them, the Levy them, and the Logan them, and the Tyson them. The Tyson them did one slave. The Logan them left all will, with slave upon them will, according to reports. So Mark Golding is not just like an ordinary white man way that have no ties, to slavery via bloodline. He's a direct descendant of the people who enslaved our ancestors them. So me think him know this and him believe say we inferior and him superior. What I mean by 72 hours are there's gonna be action all over Jamaica? What that mean? What I mean by make we get wicked pan them, make we get busy and get wicked pan them, because we not gonna get up so easy as labor rights. What do you think that mean? All I wanna we did I try explain that and about say no. It means say, yo, we have to step up the pace. It means say we have to get wicked pan them. It just means say, we have to go get, more aggressive with campaigning and rare. No, it don't mean that to Mark Golding and not try interpret something where Mark Golding not even care about. Mark Golding care about power, and he want to show say him powerful. That's why I talk about junglers have my back, and the junglers them give me a strength, and him a bend up him mouth like him a bad man, like him a the Dan. The junglers them give me a strength, and me just kick out some people out of the party with poisonous. And we have a real man, What do you think Mark Golding like, Mark Golding a bigot. Yeah, man. Straight. What I mean by that? about 72 hours are there gonna be action all over Jamaica. Mark Golding, let me tell you something, brother. We now go back to that, bro. We now go back to no political unrest in our country. As a matter of fact, you run away when we had political unrest in our country. We now go back to that, Mark Golding. Go away. Whether Jamaica Labour Party or PMP supporters, more want to hear this and more want to reject Mark Golding. We now go back to killing our brothers and sisters them over no politician or over no political party. We have different policies, that's why we stand with Andrew Wellness. You understand me? I say because we want our country move forward and we want our country be one of the country them where the people them can say, yeah man, them go Jamaica and them come to Jamaica and feel alright because of that the song say we want to fulfill that what Bob Marley say. Come to Jamaica and feel alright. We want our citizens them feel alright. We want the visitors them feel alright when them come to our shores. Mark Golding, we now go back to tribalism in a violent manner, brother. Your host niggas them. Yeah, your host niggas and we're ready for line up Andrew Wellness and whip him. We now go back to that. I'm going to implore all of my PMP brothers and sisters them to reject that too. Yeah man, I know so I don't love PMP because I don't believe that Michael Manley was the man where I try, look out for poor people. I did believe that at one time too. I still believe that Michael Manley did genuinely care about poor people, It's just that he went around about it the wrong way. Because when you're in a position to make certain call, you have to think about the greater good. So I have no doubt that Michael Manley did really, really want to give people land on them something there, and house on them something there. I have no doubt in that. You understand? Yeah. But I believe that him go about it the wrong way. So when people are dead for hungry, because of your decision, then it falls on your shoulder. That's why I apologize. You understand me? I say that's why I'm saying him did things the wrong way, and that's why Michael Manley, when he came back in power, him go more to capitalism. Zane? That is the reason why. So we have no doubt that Michael Manley did have good intentions. But that man and him Mark Golding, him my devil. Him want power, and him want power at any cost. Him want power to the point where him go around and spread propaganda upon the administration and the doctors them and the medical department about a drill. Mark Golding knows that the drill no cost $3 or $4 million with all of the parts that will come with it. All the pieces will come with it. Mark Golding is no idiot. Mark Golding knows that the 150 something pieces could not be free. Him know this. And when do? Him send out Dr. Daz, it seems. And then him now make Dr. Daz go incriminate himself and get on a face lawsuit. And you know what him do? When he go up on political platform, him don't call out the man when him say own shares in him. No call the man name, him allow Dr. Daz to call the man name. And Dr. Daz, me hope you see this, because at the end of the day, he's a medical doctor and he's a brother, we love seeing him, I true you go get caught up to the point, where you act like a madman, Call them and use you, my brother. Mark Golding go up on platform, see him protect himself, him don't call no name. Him love you if you call up name, brother. Because him know say way must say can't stand up to scrutiny, and him know say if him call no name and say nobody own 80% shares and call a name to that, he might get lawsuit. And him nah give black people none of him wealth, him no want no lawsuit reach him. Understand that, no man? He make all my brother with try sue me for foolishness. I talk about all manner of things. And I get paid a lawsuit against him too. You hear Mark Golding incriminate himself, my brother? Mark Golding I use bros. My brother Damian Crawford, Mark Golding I use brother. Big time bros. Me know not have to do, not have to do. You see what I say? I'm a genuinely rate the item star. But that white man yeah, I devil. I mean no so no say my devil, What I mean by action all over Jamaica if Chung appointment no rescind? What I mean by that? When am I going to make people start block road and burn down place? What Mark Golding mean by that, Jamaican people? People who have a devil pan with hand, So you say if I pray. Just pray harder, Yeah man. Yeah man. And if I support you, I support. Just support harder. And spread the word to your brother and your sister. Them. We now go back to them sitting there. Mark Golding run way. Him father send him way. when we had political warfare. Mark Golding is a protected species in privilege. Know that. Let me tell you something. I can't wait for the day my Jamaican brothers and sisters them wake up and just realize say, Mark Golding is a devil. Mark Golding no like you. Mark Golding no rate we. Mark Golding speak to us as if him think him still in a slavery with we. And I my slave master. Him thinks him can come whip we. Him think him can set we against each other, divide us and make we a war with each other so him can conquer. Mark Golding and him friend them in Tapanaris, friends them, and I say PMP, I come try explain Tapanaris, but it means educated people. Wanna go nyam shit. Tapanaris means pretentious, some people were rich and not share. And that Tapanaris means is a Jamaican term. Mark Golding say man him Tapanaris friends for come run Jamaica. You think say Mark Golding like you know? Negroes. Him and the media and the people who control the media were more have phenotype. And the host Negroes them were run back at the people who control the media and try take down Andrew Wellness. You don't think Mark Golding rate you know? You think him like you know? You know you're the man talk about Dr. Michelle Charles. You know you're the man speak. You know you're the man talk. You know you're the man address the sister. Classless. She not no class. It's like no Negro can be qualified in a field. It's like no Negro can be in a field where them good enough to be there in the eyes of Mark Golding. Andrew Wellness, him go in a politics all him life. Him not qualified. Dr. Michelle Charles, she not in a class. Some other, some guy. What? You don't realize that the man was racist, misogynistic, bad mind, ready eye. Descendant of slavers. Descendant of people who literally owned slaves. You don't realize that this man here, him are the direct descendant of people who owned slaves in Jamaica. You know talk about him family, them Logan. By him mother side, him grandpeople them from him mother side. Them Logan and Levy and they sitting there. And Nunes them. Nunes them were slave traders. Literally slave traders will leave slave on them wheel for them grandpicking them. Mark Golding is a beneficiary of slavery. And that's why him feel like him can talk down to it. Him can disrespect with anything Andrew Wellness do. Him feel like say him can't get no credit. Him go out them see urban center and say the so-called opening of the urban center. They no see it what me so it is so-called dog shit. Or it will be so-called. I used to say it open. What you mean so-called opening? What you mean Dr. Michelle Charles now no class dog shit? You look like you want beard. The Jamaican people and the media them will run back at your bridge. They don't realize you don't like we. They don't realize you look down upon where you think say nobody no good enough in them field where them they are qualified enough for serving in them field where them into. Or represent them field where them into. You think say you are going to come be the best prime minister of this country because you have something to prove. Because people it hurt you, it dig out your heart. For people say Andrew Wellness is the best prime minister ever. It hurt your heart so much so you find all manner of things to turn the people them against Andrew Wellness. You make up your lies and stories, you and your gang to try bring down the man. And the little done said people them will run back at you. We are talking about 28 bank book and all them nonsense saying about thief money, all kind of foolishness. Them don't realize that it's a trap you set for them. Because you decide say by any means necessary you want to run this country. Andrew Wellness can't do nothing good enough for you and your allies them. Yeah, your PMP surrogates them, Andrew Holness cannot do nothing in this country when you give man a round of applause. Nothing. If the man walk on water tomorrow, we not say a smaddy under the water all up in foot. Dr. Daza run round for appease you. I talk about drill for 250,000. 250,000 drill for work on who for spine. 250,000 drill for work on who for brain, who for head, who for skull, who for bone marrow. You would want a 250,000 Jamaican dollar drill to work on your child? Uno no see say them people take we for idiot. Uno see say people just a disrespect we and a disrespect we intelligence. Uno realize. One day uno go realize, you know. And I hope you not too late, you know. Remember me telling you.
Now guys, that was the video from Mr. Vegas of Jamaica. And those have been very serious and heavy words used on Mark Golding himself. So I know this comes from a political battle point of view, and I'd love to say this. As much as we, or rather the Jamaicans, take sides between their preferred political parties, I want you to remember this speech from Minister Louis Farrakhan during his visit in Jamaica, whereby Minister Farrakhan said that Jamaicans, just because you are supporting a different political party from your neighbor, it doesn't have to be, or rather you don't have to go on hurting your neighbor just so that your preferred choice of leader could step onto power or could still remain into power. Remember, there is a life beyond politics. We don't have to hurt one another just for our preferred person to lead. And remember, also, we need each other for the development of our country. We all know unity. When we come together, great things happen. And this thing about we as the humans being divided, it really scrambles the peace that we fight to have amongst ourselves. So as much as we, or rather the Jamaicans, have different political parties that they support, let's all spread love and unity. So guys, tell me what you think of this video. I'm your host Larry, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel if it's for the first time you're coming across my video. So I'm your host Larry, and until we meet again in my next video, peace out and one love.